Have a couple of 8 Series BMWs, the OGs, not the modern ones. Here we go, the first V8's leaving the show. Hopefully this sounds great. There's an air freshener. Oh, he's giving out an air freshener. That's very generous. Or a sticker. Stickers. I think they're stickers. Very good. It's got a classic Mini, and I didn't even see that inside. It's nice. Oh, it's the Cobra. That looks lovely with the hardtop. Should I get a hardtop? I don't know. It's a lot of room to keep one in storage, but it looks good.